Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of numerical control machines, or NC machines, which have revolutionized the manufacturing industry. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about technology, this video will provide you with everything you need to know about NC machines. Numerical control machines are automated devices that use programmed commands to control the movement and operation of machinery. Unlike manual machines, NC machines can perform complex tasks with high precision and repeatability. They are the backbone of modern manufacturing, used in industries ranging from automotive to aerospace. The concept of numerical control dates back to the 1940s when John T. Parsons developed a method to automate the production of helicopter blades. Over the decades, NC technology has evolved significantly, leading to the development of computer numerical control (CNC) machines, which offer even greater flexibility and efficiency. NC machines operate based on a set of instructions known as a program. This program is written in a special language called G-code, which tells the machine how to move, what speed to use, and what operations to perform. The machine's controller interprets these instructions and executes them with precision. There are several types of NC machines, each designed for specific tasks. Common types include NC lathes, which are used for turning operations, NC mills for cutting and shaping, and NC routers for engraving and carving. Each machine type offers unique capabilities and applications. NC machines offer numerous advantages over traditional manual machines. They provide higher precision, increased productivity, and the ability to produce complex geometries. Additionally, they reduce human error and allow for consistent quality in mass production. NC machines are used in a wide range of industries. In the automotive industry, they're used to manufacture engine components and body parts. In aerospace, they produce critical components like turbine blades. The medical industry uses NC machines to create precise surgical instruments and implants. The future of NC machines is exciting, with advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning paving the way for smarter, more autonomous machines. Innovations like additive manufacturing and hybrid machines are also expanding the capabilities of NC technology. Numerical control machines have transformed the manufacturing landscape, offering unparalleled precision and efficiency. As technology continues to advance, North Carolina machines will play an even more critical role in shaping the future of industry. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on cutting-edge technology.